solve the equation sine 2x is equal to cos x for x being between minus pi and pi. Now the problem here is sine 2x and cos x are two different variables. However, I can make this just like something of x by using the identity sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. So substituting in, we've got 2 sine x cos x is equal to cos x. The general principle of solving equations is to put the equation equal to 0. So we're going to move this over to this side by subtraction. So we've got 2 sine x cos x minus cos x is equal to 0. What is the common factor here? Well, the common factor is going to be cos x. That can come out. So we've got cos x. In the bracket we've got 2 sine x, and minus 1. You can always check by multiplying back in. Is equal to 0. So either cos x is equal to 0. If cos x is equal to 0, it's better to look at the graph, but we're solving between minus pi and pi, so making a graph there. So cos starts off like that, and therefore it will be reflected over here. If you cannot remember, label the graph. Where is it equal to 0, which is here and here. So mark those off. So we get two solutions, x is minus pi over 2, or x is pi over 2, or 2 sine x minus 1 is equal to 0, which means that 2 sine x is equal to 1, sine x is equal to a half. Sine to the minus 1 and 1/2 is pi by 6. Doing our South Asian Tennis Club, and we want to know where it is positive. So it's positive in the first and the second quadrant, so you make your angle pi by 6 with the, making sure your angle is pi by 6. Now we're solving between minus 180 and 180, or minus pi to pi. So this bit here, there's no negative angle. So the first angle is going to be pi by 6, and the second one is going to be pi minus pi by 6. So that gives 5 pi by 6. Writing out all the angles in ascending order, or in the right order. So we get x is minus pi by 2, pi by 6, pi by 2, and 5 pi by 6.